me in the morning, get my crazy eye mask, but I wanted to talk to you about yerba mate today. So I've been playing with this now for about 3 weeks because yerba mate is a different kind of caffeine, and it's also got probiotics in it. So they're herbs, and I don't remember the podcasts I got from it, but I think it was from Louis' house, and he has like all this health stuff on it on that one podcast. But yerba mate is best if you can drink it in one of these Argentinian cups that's made especially for yerba mate. It has pumpkin in it. And so I happened just to be at the farmer's market after I saw that podcast. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. So I'm experimenting with it. And it's got this straw that comes with it, and it's got holes in it. So you put like a teaspoon of the tea, and then you put hot water, and a little bit of lemon just does it for me. Because I wasn't a fan of yerba mate before. My favorite honey is this Bjorns Honey. Bjorns Honey. Okay. And I like the lemon one. The lemon one is just something about it, and I just love lemon. So it's also best if you drink your caffeine drinks an hour and a half after you wake up. The first hour, you want to have 10 minutes of pure sunlight to help you with your vitamin D and your circadian rhythm and connecting the neurons. And once like these neurons start to fire is when you want to have the caffeine for the best effect, so you don't have the crash. So that's about an hour and a half after you wake up. So I hope you learned something new, and let me know how you feel about yerba mate.